Today I'm going to quickly show you how to customize your meals on our website. Start off by going to www.preptoyourdoor.com. Make sure to log in the top right if you aren't already, but if you are logged in, we'll come straight to our On the Menu page. From here, we'll click My Account in the top right. And here you can see your next delivery date as well as the next date you'll be charged on and your activate and pause button. So if it's on active, that means you're receiving meals, and say you want to pause it because you're going out of town for a few weeks, you just click activate, which then changes to paused, and you're good to go if you want to pause. So I'm going to click it again and set it back to activate. And from here to customize, I'll just scroll down using these drop-down menus on each item. So say I want to change this to the roasted salad bowl. I want to keep that soup the same. I'll change this to the cocoa oats. All of these options, they automatically save. So once you select a meal, that's all you have to do. You'll see this little notification up in the top right corner, but there's no need to do anything else from there. Your choice will automatically save. So say I have 5 meals, but I want to get an extra. I can use these extra meal drop downs to add a 6th meal or item. So if I want some cookies, I can do that here. And if you are a prepaid customer, this feature is currently not available. But if you are a prepaid customer and would like to add additional items, please reach out to info@preptoyourdoor with the items you would like. We'll scroll all the way down to the bottom now, and this will show pickup location or delivery location, delivery instructions below, so anything to help your driver drop off your meals, whether this is an apartment number, gate code, anything that could be helpful for your driver in efficiently dropping off your meals at your door will be entered here, and this is the only area on this page that you need to click save after, so we'll do that right here. And then if for any reason you need to cancel your subscription, you'll click the red cancel subscription button at the bottom, and then it will be canceled. So that is how to customize your meals on our website. Thanks for letting us feed you.